There are several ways to make an HTTP request in JavaScript. One of the most common ways is to use the XMLHttpRequest object. This is a built-in object in JavaScript that allows you to send HTTP requests to a server and load the server's response data back into your web page. Here is an example of how to use the XMLHttpRequest object to send a GET request to a server and log the response to the console. Please pause the video to copy the code shown on the screen. This example creates a new XMLHttpRequest object, opens a GET request to the specified URL, sets up a function to be called when the response is received, and then sends the request. When the response is received, the function is called and the response is logged to the console. Alternatively, you can use the fetch function to make HTTP requests in modern browsers. The fetch function is a promise-based API that makes it easier to work with asynchronous requests. Here is an example of how to use the fetch function to send a GET request and log the response to the console. Please pause the video to copy the code shown on the screen. This example uses the fetch function to send a GET request to the specified URL, and then uses the then method to specify a function to be called with the response when it is received. The response is converted to JSON and logged to the console.